I've always wanted to do teaching. I was really inspired by the teachers at my school and the way that they made me feel, and it's so fantastic. I've been so supported the whole time. I feel really equipped within the classroom and that I'm able to grow and nurture the kids as well as my own teaching philosophy.
My experience becoming a teacher has been quite unique, as a lot of the learning was done online, which was quite different to what I was expecting. So my experience has been different in that I wasn't entirely in the classroom, but I've absolutely loved every minute of it, and I think I was well prepared given the skills that we learned at Deakin.
Every trimester you're placed out for either 10, 15 or 25 days. It was a really rewarding experience. Each year you got a little bit more responsibility within the classroom. Your mentors were fantastic. You could really form your own philosophy and come into your own.
The Professional Experience Office organised all of our placements. It was a weight off our shoulders that we didn't have to come up with our placements and where we were going to go. They organised a range of placements in different types of schools.
I've had experience within a primary school, secondary schools that have a range of different contexts, private, religious, state, as well as experience within a special needs school too.
Having the Deakin teachers come out and watch us while we're on placement was really good because it gave us specific feedback about things that we knew we could work on. We were able to go away and reflect a little bit on what we'd done in those lessons and how we could particularly make changes that were not only going to benefit the children in the future but also benefit our teaching.
You're able to implement all the theory on one day, the next day be able to really practice that theory, gain feedback from your peers and mentors, and then by the end of it, when you're becoming a professional teacher, you're able to encompass all of what you've learnt and really be the best you can.
My favourite part about studying at Deakin was the friendships that we created and the classroom environments that were so inclusive and welcoming.
You get to become really close with your peers. It's fantastic making connections with everyone. So Deakin really keeps your options open because it allows you to choose a third method, and the range of third methods to choose from is really great. So I chose drama.
There are so many different opportunities open to me at the moment. The obvious career path is becoming a teacher, but I could also move into the fitness industry if I wanted to, as well as different sporting clubs if I wanted to work in education or administration. I love being a teacher. I'm so grateful that I'm able to work with students every day and help them to improve their lives in the future. And having the opportunity to do that after completing my 4 years of university is something that I'm extremely grateful for and something that I look to continue to love for hopefully the rest of my career.